Ladies and gentlemen, history is in the making. After a grueling 5-year wait, the Pacific Ocean has finally given birth to a new tropical storm. Say hello to Hone. This isn't just any storm, folks. Hone is packing a punch with maximum sustained winds of 65 km per hour. That's a whopping 40 miles per hour. And that's not all. Its central pressure is a low 1005 millibars, a telltale sign of a storm with potential. Right now, Hone is hanging out around 15.7 degrees north, 141.6 degrees west. That puts it roughly 1,489 kilometers away from Hilo, 1,800 kilometers from Honolulu, and 1,988 kilometers from Lihue, all in the beautiful Hawaiian Islands. But don't let those distances fool you. This storm is on the move, headed nearly westwards. Hone is bringing with it a significant threat of wind and rain. Residents and mariners in the region need to stay on their toes. We're talking heavy rainfall that could lead to flash flooding, especially in low-lying areas. Flood warnings may be issued, so it's crucial to pay attention to local advisories. For those out on the water, Hone is likely to create hazardous conditions. Rough seas and strong winds could lead to a potentially powerful storm surge. Mariners should avoid heading out to sea and secure their vessels. Safety first, folks. If you're in the storm's path, it's time to prepare. Secure loose outdoor items, stock up on emergency supplies, and be ready to follow any evacuation orders. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. For the most up-to-date information and detailed advisories, visit the Central Pacific Hurricane Center's website. And for faster updates, don't forget to subscribe to Weather Analyzer. Together, we can stay informed and weather this storm. Stay safe, everyone. And remember, even the fiercest storm eventually passes.